Bifolding Doors are a family-owned business set up in 2007, and we manufacture bifolding doors, sliding door systems, roof systems and entrance doors and windows as well, and we manufacture those and distribute them throughout the UK. Express attend approximately 10 exhibitions a year, and we attend those nationally in sort of Birmingham, London, Glasgow. We're going to be starting in Edinburgh this year as well, and also in Harrogate. We always try to show a lot of product at an Express stand, at an exhibition, but typically you'll find bifolding door systems, sliding door systems, roof lanterns, windows and entrance doors. On this show stand we are showing the XP View bifolding door system. We're also showing the XP Vision, which has the new slimline profile, along with the sliding system, the XP Glide S, which also has a slim profile as well. At every opportunity, Express always try to show new products at the stands, and as we spoke about earlier, the Glide S and also the XP Vision have been new products that we've launched this year. I would highly recommend anybody to come and see Express at an exhibition such as this. It's the opportunity for potential customers to meet the team, not only to see the product, but to meet the team and to learn a little bit more about the company as well.